Give us a little twirl, Catherine. Horrendous. I'm joking.
Awful.
She looks unreal. The first style I'm going to show you is a little beachy wave. The best way to achieve this is by getting small strands and then wrapping it round the tongue and then holding it. So if you hold this for around 10 seconds, it'll give you the perfect curl. And once I've done all these, I'll brush them out in the end together to give us that finished waved look. You need to trust the process, because I know it looks like I don't know how to curl my hair at the minute, and you're going to look a little bit funny in some stages, but the end result is going to be amazing. When you're curling your hair, just make sure you wrap it all the way around the tongue and get those little straggly bits in. This is just going to ensure that all of the hair is curled. Notice that I'm not pulling the curls out just yet. This is because they're still warm. If you run your fingers through it, it means you're going to reshape the hair, which is going to change the look. Obviously wouldn't go on a night out like this. You just need to remember to be patient and trust the process. When you're curling your hair, just make sure you're really taking your time. This means your curls will last longer when you're holding them in. So I've just done that last curl and I'm just going to leave them to cool before I brush them out so I get that beautiful wavy look. So I'm just gently using my fingers to pull some of the curls out. This gives it a soft, glamorous wave, and the extensions have blended perfectly into my own hair, and I'm really happy with the finished look. Look how versatile the hair is. It doesn't matter where I push it, it still looks amazing.